Right, every single week, past 2 weeks or so, if I'm not mistaken. I'm horrible with keeping dates, but we've been having conversations, great conversations actually, with gentlemen from QuickFit. The good folks at QuickFit have been dropping in, telling us the importance of maintaining our vehicles and all of the things that you can actually expect when you visit a QuickFit outlet. Today is no different. So what we're going to do is have a conversation today with Mr. Mwanga, who is a sales representative from QuickFit Zambia. Welcome to the Sky High Breakfast and good morning to you.
Thank you so much for having me, and good morning to all the listeners out there.
All right, so for somebody who's listening to us for the very, very first time, tell us a little bit about what QuickFit is. What is QuickFit? What do you do? Do you sell bread? Do you sell donuts? What is QuickFit for somebody who doesn't know?
Okay, so QuickFit, basically we are into vehicles. Mm-hmm. We sell spare parts. Mm-hmm. That is filters, suspension. We do servicing. We are into tires, batteries, oils, name it, electricals, vehicle diagnosis. We do all that.
Okay, yes. Absolutely amazing. So today is a little bit different. Today we're talking about something that is very, very important, and that's filters and engine health as well. So joining us, like I said a little bit earlier on, is Mr. Mwanga, who is a sales representative from QuickFit Zambia. And let's get into it, okay? Let's start with the basics. When we talk about filters in a vehicle, what exactly are we referring to?
Okay, so vehicle filters are parts designed to keep dirt and unwanted particles away from important engine components. These filters also protect the health of the passenger. Okay. The common filters include oil filter, fuel filter, cabin filter. So these filters basically they help the engine run smoothly and efficiently.
Okay. All right. So you've highlighted the types of filters that are there. Mm-hmm. So why are filters so important to engine health, the health of a motor vehicle and the engine as well?
So filters protect the engine from contaminants. For example, the air filter prevents dust and dirt from entering the engine, while the oil filter keeps engine clean. If filters are dirty or clogged, the engine has to work really hard, which can lead to poor performance and even serious engine damage.
Okay. All right. So telltale signs. Let's get into that. Because it's one thing to have a engine filter, oil filter, air filter, all of those different filters. But what are some of the signs that a vehicle needs filter replacement? What should I look out for?
Some of the common signs are the engine power. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Then you also notice increased fuel consumption, difficult starting the vehicle, unusual engine sounds. Sometimes you notice some black smoke from the exhaust or poor air circulation inside the vehicle. This can indicate clogged or worn out filters.
Okay. So a lot of drivers may ignore service schedules, and we talked about this even last week with a gentleman from QuickFit. How often should filters be checked or changed?
Okay, so the recommended period is 5,000 Ks. So every 5,000 Ks, make sure you have those filters replaced. Yeah, and for some of our friends who stay far from maybe in the farms where the roads are bad, there's a lot of dust.
Yes.
Yeah, it's in between services. It's better you change especially the air filter.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So it's important. So it also matters where you live. Someone who's in a tarmac area all the time and someone who goes out there in the field is different. It's different. Okay.
Exactly.
Absolutely amazing. So let's talk about the quality of filters, because not all filters are made equal.
Exactly.
Can using low quality quality filters also affect the vehicle?
Definitely. So poor quality filters may not properly trap dirt and all those contaminants, which can damage the engine over time. So that's why we advise you use quality filters to help improve engine performance, fuel efficiency, and the lifespan of the vehicle.
Okay, absolutely amazing. And what advice would you give? You are a specialist. You work at Quick Fit. You see these things day in, day out. What advice would you give motorists listening this morning?
Okay, so my advice to the motorists out there is they should never ignore regular vehicle servicing. Replacing filters on time is very, very, very simple, and it will save you in terms of having to spend, because if the engine is damaged, you end up spending more.
A lot of money.
Yes, so it's always important you just keep track of the mileage. Every 5,000 Ks, you have those filters changed.
Okay, absolutely amazing. So before we wrap up, tell us briefly about the services that are available at Quick Fit. What can people expect?
Okay, like I mentioned earlier, at Quick Fit, we offer vehicle servicing, quality filters, tires, batteries, wheel alignment, balancing, and many other automotive services. Our goal really is to keep vehicles safe and running efficiently.
Okay, absolutely amazing. Mr. Mwanga, thank you so much for coming through and having a conversation with us, and obviously the people listening right now.
Thank you so much.
All right, there you go. Simple and straightforward. Make your way to the nearest Quick Fit if you can, and trust me, you will not be disappointed, okay? Make sure that your car is in tip-top condition. Stay locked, stay tuned. This is the Sky High Breakfast. We have to say big birthday shout out to you who is listening right about now, if it's your birthday. And also, remember, we said it's Sher's birthday today. So yeah, happy birthday to Sher.